shining brightly. Oh, how beautiful you are. Rainbow colors shining brightly. Oh, how beautiful you are. Red and orange, yellow and green, blue and indigo, violet I love. Rainbow colors shining brightly. Oh, how beautiful you are. Rainbow colors shining brightly. Oh, how beautiful you are. Rainbow colors shining brightly. Oh, how beautiful you are. Red and orange, yellow and green, blue and indigo, violet I love. Rainbow colors shining brightly. Oh, how beautiful you are. Hello, boys and girls. Today we are learning about filling in using double sound E or sound E. What is to fill in? To fill in is to add a letter or a sound or sounds to make a complete word. Now we are still learning about words with sound E, and the words are on the board. The words that we have learned are words like weak, fit, feel, feed, and beep. There are also other words with that sound, a word like tree, sweets, and the word green, which was also in our song of the rainbow colors. Now, for us to fill in using double sound E, you will find that, let's look at the board, that there's like, now here we have sound B, and there are two dashes. The dashes here are the ones that you are going to use to fill in. You fill in double sound E. Double sound E. That word becomes B. The other word there, it is missing that sound, so you add the sound on those dashes, and it makes the word deep. You also fill in there double sound E, and it gives you the word seed. You also do that on this one, and it makes the word need. So as you fill in, you read the word. You fill in, you read the word. Now here I fill in sound E, I make the word pill. I fill in that one, and then the word is see. So you will do that on your books. You fill in sound E and to make that word complete. You'll also practice these words. The words are the look and see words. Look and say words. Look and say words. Just look at them. These are some of the words. These are words that you know. A word like banana. There's also another word, two. Another word, can. Another word, ha. Another word, leaf. The other one is has, his, him. So when you look at these words, you just look and say the words. You know the words, but you just look at them, and you will be able to say the words. Goodbye. See you next time.